So we start off today's video with this long to short hair transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut for this one. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. Her hair has so much body, and the sheen just looks breathtaking. Gorgeous transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. So if you have been dreaming of a brand new hairstyle and you're looking for some new ways to shake up your boring strands, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have one of the most popular trends that we are seeing, and that is of course the pixie bob. A lot of women are requesting this hairstyle. It is a great mixture of keeping the hair longer in the front like a bob and then shorter in the back like a pixie. Loving the shape with this one. Features some swoop bangs. Absolutely stunning. And next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. So she's going to be trying out the pop of hair color trend. Beautiful purple. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. The stylist does do curtain bangs to frame out the face. Loving this transformation. The pop of color, just such a fun vibe. It's a great way to try out some color without making the commitment of dyeing your entire head. And it's a great way to express your own personal style. I just want to mention that if you did want to try that trend out without dyeing your hair, you could do the look with clip ends as well. You're just going to purchase some colored ones and then clip it into your hair. Next up, we have another color transformation. Wow. So she went brunette and she also got this beautiful pixie cut. I love how much volume and thickness this pixie has. This is gorgeous. Next up, we see someone with dyed colored hair, looks like pink. I'm thinking that the stylist might be doing a mullet haircut with this one. Wow, yes, I love this. Very rocker chic, love the cut and color. Full bangs in the front, lots of texture created throughout the cut. Beautiful. So here it looks like the stylist might be doing another shoulder length lob haircut. Gorgeous. This is definitely an effortless and simple lob or shoulder length bob. Beautiful. And then we have another color transformation. Beautiful blonde shoulder length bob haircuts. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. And I will of course see you in the next video.